Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore your headlights and how to prevent them from becoming oxidized and yellowed over time. This not only looks bad, at night your headlights don't shine as far as they should. Turtle Wax makes a great kit with everything you need: spray lubricant, lens clarification compound, two two-sided polishing pads numbered 1 through 4, and wipes to seal the lenses. As you can see, the top of the headlight is still clear because it's under the hood, protected from all the elements. First, we are going to start with washing the headlight to remove any bugs, road grime, and other contaminants. Rinse. Then with a clean cloth, dry the headlight and the surrounding area so we can apply masking tape, which will keep your paint safe while using the polishing pads. Apply the lens clarifying compound to a cotton cloth. Rub all over the entire lens and buff with a clean cloth. You may need to do this a few times. As you can see, the headlights are already much improved. And if you are satisfied with this result, you can skip the other steps and seal the lenses. But I'm going to go through all of the other steps because these headlights still have some oxidation I want to remove. If your headlights are bad, start with the number 1 pad and work your way through to the number 4 pad, using spray lubricant and wiping clean between each stage. This way you're not re-damaging the lens. After you're done polishing with the pads, use the lens clarifying compound and buff until it's clear. You can see the oxidation line is now gone. When you have finished restoring both headlights, use the lens base coat wipe followed by the lens sealing wipe to finish the job. Let it dry, remove your tape, and then you're done.